Are you ready to not just survive, but thrive in the AI economy of 2026? What if I told you there's a complete roadmap, a launchpad blueprint for your next groundbreaking AI project? This video isn't just about understanding the future. It's about building your success in it, starting right now. So grab a coffee and let's map out your journey to dominate the AI landscape. Let's get real. The AI game is changing. By 2026, the era of simply having a cool AI proof of concept will be over. The market will demand profitable deployed AI solutions that solve real-world problems. This is a seismic shift. It's no longer about can we build it, but should we build it and how will it generate value? This new approach is what separates the winners from those left behind. So how do you find your place in this new world? You need to identify your AI North Star. This isn't just a vague idea. It's a specific, high-impact, measurable problem that AI can uniquely solve for your target market. Think about the biggest pain points in your industry. Where are the bottlenecks? Where are the inefficiencies? That's where your AI North Star lies. It's about finding that one critical area where AI can deliver undeniable value, a 10x improvement, not just a minor tweak. Once you have your North Star, it's time for a market intelligence deep dive. We're not just looking at today, we're forecasting for mid-2026. What regulatory shifts are on the horizon? Think about data privacy laws and ethical AI guidelines. What are your competitors doing? Are they building their own AI or are they partnering? Look for the gaps. Identify the emerging niche opportunities that others are overlooking. This foresight is your strategic advantage. It allows you to position your project not where the market is now, but where it's going to be. Now let's talk about building the machine. To succeed in 2026, you can't rely on rigid, monolithic systems. You need a composable AI architecture. Think of it like building with Legos. You have individual, interchangeable components, different models, data pipelines, and user interfaces. This flexibility is key. It allows you to rapidly adapt, swap out an older model for a newer, more powerful one, or integrate new data sources without having to rebuild your entire system from scratch. This agility will be your superpower. And at the heart of any great AI system is data. Your 2026 strategy must be data-centric. This goes way beyond just collecting information. It means ensuring your data is sourced ethically and responsibly. It means establishing robust governance to manage data quality, security, and compliance. And crucially, it means creating continuous model improvement loops. Your AI should get smarter over time, learning from new data and user interactions. This creates a powerful, self-reinforcing cycle of value that your competitors will find incredibly difficult to replicate. Of course, a blueprint is useless without the builders. Assembling the right team is non-negotiable. The roles you need for a successful 2026 AI launch have evolved. You'll obviously need data scientists and machine learning engineers. But have you thought about an AI ethicist? Someone to ensure your project is fair, transparent, and accountable. What about MLOps engineers? These are the people who bridge the gap between development and operations, ensuring your models can be deployed, monitored, and scaled reliably. These roles are the critical pillars supporting your entire AI initiative. With a team and a plan, you need fuel. Let's talk about navigating the AI investment landscape. Smart capital allocation is everything. Where do you put your money for the highest return? Your priority should be a balanced portfolio. Invest in the core AI infrastructure that will support your projects. Dedicate funds to research and development to stay on the cutting edge, and most importantly, invest in acquiring and retaining top talent. Your people are your greatest asset in the AI race. But what if you don't have a 9-figure budget? This is where the rise of AI as a service partnerships becomes a game changer. You don't have to build everything in-house. You can leverage external expertise and powerful platforms from companies specializing in AI infrastructure, model development, or data labeling. This strategy allows you to accelerate your AI journey significantly, reducing massive upfront costs and allowing you to focus on your unique value proposition. It's about working smarter, not just spending bigger. Whether you're seeking internal buy-in from your board or external funding from VCs, you need to demonstrate a clear return on investment. This means crafting a compelling business case for your AI project. Don't just talk about the tech, talk about the business impact. How will this project increase revenue, reduce costs, or improve customer satisfaction? Use clear metrics, realistic projections, and a phased rollout plan. A strong business case that connects AI to tangible outcomes is your key to unlocking the resources you need to succeed. All right, we have the plan, the team, and the funding. It's time for execution excellence, moving from blueprint to breakthrough. The days of long waterfall development cycles are gone, especially in AI. You need to implement agile AI development cycles. This means working in short, iterative sprints. Build, test, learn, and repeat. This approach allows your team to get feedback quickly, learn from mistakes, and pivot when necessary. In a dynamic environment like AI, the ability to adapt is paramount. Part of that agile process is prototyping for impact. Don't try to build the perfect, all-encompassing AI solution from day one. Instead, focus on building a minimum viable AI product, or MVP. This is the simplest version of your product that delivers tangible, core value to a small group of early users. The goal here isn't perfection, it's learning. An MVP allows you to validate your assumptions, gather real-world data, and get invaluable user feedback that will inform and improve all subsequent iterations of your product. Once your MVP proves its value, it's time to think about scaling for real-world application. This is where many AI projects falter. Moving from a controlled experimental model to a production-ready solution that can handle enterprise-level loads is a massive challenge. You need strategies for robust monitoring, automatic retraining, and fail-safes. Your system needs to be reliable, secure, and efficient enough to serve thousands or even millions of users. This is the final and most critical step in turning your AI vision into a reality. As we look to 2026 and beyond, building a future-proof AI business requires more than just great technology. It requires a commitment to ethical AI by design. This means embedding principles of fairness, transparency, and accountability into every single stage of your project, right from the initial conception. Ask the tough questions early. Is our data biased? Is our model explainable? How do we ensure human oversight? Building trust with your users and society is the foundation of long-term success. The AI landscape is evolving at an incredible pace. What's state-of-the-art today will be standard tomorrow. To stay ahead, you must build a culture of continuous learning and adaptation. Establish feedback mechanisms that pipe real-world performance data back to your R&D team. Create dedicated research pipelines to explore new models, techniques, and technologies. Your organization must become a learning machine, constantly improving and staying ahead of the curve. Complacency is the enemy of innovation. Finally, no company is an island. The future of AI will be shaped by collaboration. To build a truly resilient AI business, you need to foster a vibrant ecosystem. This means forming strategic partnerships with other tech companies, academic institutions, and even competitors. Engage with the community, contribute to open source projects, and participate in the public discourse around AI. By working together, we can collectively solve bigger challenges and shape a future where AI innovation benefits everyone. We've covered a lot today, from defining your North Star to building a resilient AI ecosystem for 2026 and beyond. This isn't just theory. This is your practical blueprint for success. The future isn't something that just happens to us. It's something we build, one strategic decision at a time. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive. If you found this blueprint valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building the future of business with AI. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What men's the biggest AI challenge you are preparing for? Let's continue the conversation. Until next time, keep building.